Alright, so this is Leetcode 101 Symmetric tree, and so it says given the root of a binary tree, check whether it is a mirror of itself, symmetric around the center. So it's really similar to same tree. I actually used my approach for this one on same tree. But yeah, so basically a breadth first search. So I did an iterative breadth first search. And so the idea is we'll have the queue and we'll add the root twice to the queue initially. And so we'll just check, and then we'll also just go through the queue and do a breadth first search. And so we'll pop 2 nodes at a time. So of course the first time it'll be the same, and so it'll be symmetric technically, but then we'll branch off. First we'll check if they are null, and if they are null, then we'll so first we'll check if both of them are null, which basically means we're like at the null leaf node in the trees, and so we'll just continue from there. But if one is null and the other is not null, then we'll just return false, which is similar to example 2. And then we'll also check the value. And then so say we're popping 2 levels at a time, right? So say we're at this level, so the second level. So first we'll add the left node of the left child of the parent, and then we'll add the right node of the right child of the parent. We'll add the right node of the left child of the parent, and then the left child of the right node of the parent. And then and then I also have this on Medium, and I have the video on here in case you want to go back to it. But then I also have it on my, I guess, regular website, you could say, because Medium charges you. They only give you 3 stories, and not everyone pays for it. So just to make it fair, so everyone can access it, I also have it here. I just copied it basically. So it's like in a CodeLab format. So I'm using the Google open source CodeLab tools. And then, so yeah, I'll just get started now. We'll create a queue. So this is Kotlin. So we'll do a linked list of true nodes. And I said I was going to use my keyboard. Wait, is it on? Okay. Not sure what's. Okay. So yeah, then we'll add, so we'll do offer, and we'll add the root twice, and then there's a convenience method on a linked list, so it's not empty. We'll just keep iterating, doing our breadth first search, so we'll just get both nodes. So they'll be, of course, equal the first time, so queue up, hold, I can't type. And so yeah, so here first we'll check. So we'll basically check if they're if they're null. So if 1 equals null or and 2 equals null, so we'll just continue the breadth first search. But then, since we're already checking that, if they're if one is null and the other is not, then we'll return false. So it's similar to the second example. And then the last check will be, and so this is they use val, but it's a keyword in Kotlin, so yeah. So if they're not equal, then we'll do they will return false as well. So this is the part that's important. So we're going to add to the queue. We'll do 1.left, and we have to, since they're nullable, we don't want to. Okay, we'll do 1.left, and then I guess we can do right and just copy it. I'm not gonna add it in this order though, so we'll do like this. So we'll add the first node's left, and then the second node's right, and then the first node's right, and the second node's left. You can do it like this as well, either way. Yeah, but yeah, and then Once we get down here, that means we've traversed through the whole tree and everything is symmetric, so we can return it. So I'll just run the code. And then I'll use the example test cases as well. And I'll just submit this. Yep. Yeah, and so this was a symmetric tree, Leetcode easy problem. Yep. Thanks for watching.